Other South Africans, they took advantage of overpopulation in their country. They build houses for foreigners, they pay rent for them every month. Each and every one pay one room 1,000 rents. If you build 10 rooms, you have got 10,000. You don't go to work, you collect money at end of the month. That was a big advantage. Other, they have got farming, they have got eggs, chickens, they are selling chickens and eggs. Overpopulation, you can have got a lot of money on farming. Guys, farming here in South Africa, you can make money after money because of you are farming for people. Tomatoes, people are buying tomatoes and finished. We saw it even in Spar. In Spar, in December, you can saw everything is being finished at vegetables on in Spar or ShopRite. It's another advantage. So other people are making a lot of money because of those foreigners. That's why you saw they are very disappointed by being chased of foreigners, because of their businesses now are not going well now. Because farming and to rent people, or you have got taxis or Ubers, those people, they are making a lot of money. Next time, you know that it's better to join or to have got farming or to build houses for those people to make money through people, because those people, they came to have got a better life. And you can make money through those foreigners, because when you have got overpopulation, farm guys, either they even you can join group after group. You are South Africans, you sit down, you have got a community to say group of 10, group of 10, group of 10. Either they are doing chickens, either they are doing eggs, either they are farming tomatoes, either they are farming or maize meal. I saw that maize meal in South Africa. When you are selling it 5 rand, 5 rand to those people who are selling at streets, they are selling 13 rand, 10 rand. It's a lot of money you are making here in South Africa by farming. So when you have to think that yes, our country is overpopulation. What are you going to do than complaining that you don't have jobs? What is difficult? You know that when we are used to have got your businesses, you don't want to go to have got or to be employed. When you are used to work for yourself, you have to be group. Yes, you don't have job, and to employ, you know that I don't understand. You have to take advantage of those foreigners to create jobs, and you hire those foreigners. Even you can do the same thing. Even those foreigners are being paid peanuts by white people. Do the same thing. Took them and work for you and pay small money, and you are making a lot of money at your business. So other people, they are thinking, they are using those foreigners, other black South Africans, they are using those foreigners. That's why other people are being disappointed, because foreigners, they have got cheap labor. Don't compete that you want to be employed and a foreigner want to be employed. You are supposed to employ those foreigners. You understand? Not to be you want to be employed. You say those people are taking our jobs. What? There is no need. You have to hire those people. In South Africa, you have got advantage that you can go to the bank and took a loan to do some of the projects and to hire those foreigners. Guys, in South Africa, even cows, you have got your cows. You can make money. Guys, a cow in South Africa is about 15,000. It's very expensive. You can make money. You took a Zimbabwean and take care of your cows. If Zimbabwean are very good, even to have got milk on the cows, you can make money to sell those milk. In South Africa, guys, when you have got something to start, you have got land, you have got advantage, the government gives you money. You can make a lot of money using those foreigners. You pay them peanuts and you make a lot of money on your business.